Hi guys, Patrick here from Wrestling and welcome you to day one of Sidari. Okay, I was last night, I'll just let you know on that. It's very windy at the minute. They don't reckon it's going to clear up either, so I generally don't think I'm going to get the drone out today. If it stays like this, it's too high. Obviously don't want to risk it, don't want to be one of these stupid people and, you know, end up going somewhere different. I don't want to be that kind of person and putting someone at rest, so at the minute the drone is on hold. Plans for today at the minute is I need to go to a supermarket and get a few more essentials, which I didn't get last night because I was in one of those mindsets of like, I need this, I need that, and then I got bits and bobs, and then I forgot the fucking essentials, so I need to go get my essentials. I'm going to come back, do a room tour, one of the things that always happens, and then, yeah, just go out, probably get some footage. It is, like I say, it is windy, but come back here, do the room tour, go out, do a whatever footage I can get, combine it into this video, and then potentially round it up quite early today because I don't even know what's open yet. So it's kind of like, I don't even know what I'm doing for food tonight. Might have to be another gyros, but which I don't mind. I'm not complaining, but yeah. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Bye. Oh. So off to Sidari Market now. Obviously this is the location where I'm stopping. Let's do the room tour later. Basically the idea is like, when I go to obviously the market and whatnot, I'm going to come back, get proper ready, and then come back. That's it. Thing is, at the minute it's like, whereabouts I am now, like, with the wind, it doesn't seem that bad. And then all of a sudden you get a gush, and this is why I can't risk it at the minute, so fingers crossed the wind changes in the next couple of hours. I can try and get the drone out here. Let's see. It looks like they've actually done fucking work. Also the idea is if there's any updates or anything like that that I can see of, obviously we will come back and see that, but at the minute it rarely feels like it's the same as last year. I know there's a few hotels going up, potentially go and get a look at them at some point. Yeah, so this hotel Masuna, it's been, I think I made a joke and said that it's always been the same. Any Greece can have roadworks in the middle of the fucking road like that. what I will do is I'll break it up as well. So I'm gonna stop filming it and save, you know what I mean, save more till later. But at the same time, it don't matter if we get 20 minutes of videos, does it? You know what I mean? Room tour. I'm gonna do it quickly, get it over and done with. Basically, it'll be in the title where I'm stopping Elves or something like that. So here we go. This is the kitchen area. Obviously, one of the things I say when you come to cruise is basic, and it is. It is very basic. That's where I'm stopping if you're interested. Let's go. Bathroom. And then obviously the bedroom. And that is basically it. That is it. TV stands, if you want to put a TV stand, I don't know. But yeah, that is basically it. I'll finish that and then go quickly. So my plan now is to have something to eat. Pretty much it is from what you can see from the footage. Nothing is open. So the plan is I'm gonna have something to eat in the room, which I'm gonna be doing soon. Then I'm gonna go back out, go and record a bit more footage. Basically do what I was gonna do tomorrow, and God hope that I can get the drone out tomorrow. It's definitely too windy at the minute. I don't even know if you can hear it in the background. So yeah, go out, go and get some more footage, probably head up towards like the more area, film around there, come back, and then decide what's going to happen tonight. I definitely don't know what I'm doing food-wise, but, you know, I'll keep you updated. So I'll see you soon. Bye. I've had to put my fucking sunglasses on. The fucking sun, sorry for my language, but the sun's like getting in my eyes from the beach and stuff. I think walking to Canal de Morton this way was a pretty stupid idea. Anyway, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna head back to the apartment. It's too windy at the minute. It's like for me to walk around the Canal de Morton. I know it sounds stupid, but I really like one of these ones that are cautious. I don't want to be up there and, you know, kind of get blown away to say, but I know that's just being stupid. Yeah, the idea is I'm gonna see if the wind holds out. Try and get back out later on tomorrow. Yeah, so now just go and chill out, get some more footage later, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. I have done a video talking about this before, but if you want to pause it. That's to show you how windy it is. Yeah, I keep saying it, but I'm definitely not getting a drone up with this. Oh my god. That's how windy it is. Why did I think this was a great idea?
These Corfu gods here are eating grass. It is their staple.
The Saviour, honestly, only place proper open food, and then obviously you got the calf, you know. But the thing is, I don't like coffee, but I might actually go for one tomorrow. Actually, Greek coffee and probably have a heart attack. So yeah, maybe tune in for that. Fucking weird. So that is pretty much it for the day. Have plans gone to what I wanted? No, thank you, fucking weather. But yeah, this is today's. Hopefully, fingers crossed tomorrow. If not, hopefully Thursday. I might end up. I'm originally going to go on the green bus into Corfu town, but if the weather holds out and the wind's straight, I'm going to get a taxi. So fingers crossed on that. But yeah, hopefully things go better tomorrow. We'll get what we want to do what we want to do, and I'll see you all very soon. I've been Patrick. This is Wrestling Nerds.